Hey Ross,
how's
good
it
to
going?
see you, mate.
Yeah, nice
Thanks
to see
for
you.
coming.
Yeah, all
Thanks
good.
for coming. Good journey?
Yes, yeah, not too bad. A couple of hours, but yeah, all good.
Good. All right, let's get the boat unloaded, then we'll have a little tour.
Yeah, for sure. Let's do it.
So, welcome to the Allen factory, Ross. Good to see you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming down. So, for the people who don't know, just tell us a bit about yourself. You come from a WASP background.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, so yeah, my name's Ross. Most people know me as Rossgo in the sailing world these days, I guess. But yeah, I've come from the WASP class and various youth classes and junior classes before that. But yeah, I did 6 years in the WASP, where for the last 2 years I was with the Allen brothers, and we did a host of stuff. We put loads of different blocks in different areas on the boats.
Lots of high load stuff,
yeah,
for the WASP.
Yeah,
cool.
on the kicker system and downhaul system in particular. And now I'm sailing the switch class, which is the new high performance one design boat by Element 6. And yeah, we've got a great calendar lined up that's just been announced, and yeah, looking forward to getting into that.
Is there anything on the boat particularly that you're looking forward to upgrading?
I think, yeah, so, well, I've excited about everything, I guess, but I think probably the most exciting bits is, the kicker and stuff. I think, the high load stuff is definitely going to be something useful there, and I think some upgrades on the main sheet system too, I think, as well,
cool.
will be good.
Well, hopefully we've got some of those bits going through the factory, so it'd be interesting for you to see how they're made, and then yeah, we'll get them on the boat later. So just talk us through it. What are we going to do? Get the tramps off and have a look at the take-up systems?
Yeah, so the boats, the tramp system's it's got a really good system where you just have to unflick the tow straps off, and you can pull the entire tramp off and leave the control lines on, so we can actually see what it would look like without the tramp.
See what needs changing.
And yeah, see what needs changing.
All right, cool. Let's do it, shall we?
Let's do it, yeah.
So how's it been going in the switch? You been enjoying it?
Yeah, no, it's been really, really good. I've been sailing it for about, when did I get it? I got it in like November time. So I did Cagliari, it was my first event in December for the Italian Nationals.
Was that their sort of trying to do the Italian Nationals or something?
Yeah, it was. I basically at that point had only done 5 days in the boat, so I had a bit on, but because I did all the WASP sailing before, that did help me quite a lot, so it wasn't too punishing.
And how do you find it compared to the WASP?
I think it's faster for sure. Even with the new rudder the WASP have, this boat's definitely still faster. But yeah, I'd say it's probably maybe a click less forgiving in the straight line, but the manoeuvres you've got much more glide time and much more forgiving there. I've actually got quite a funny video of me doing a tack, and I let go of the main sheet about 3 times, and it still stays foiling the whole way through. So, yeah, I'll send that to you guys. It's a good little fun clip. But yeah, it's been really, really nice. Takes a little bit longer to rig, I guess, but it's just so rewarding once you get onto the water, and it's just.
What's the setup time, do you reckon, to get from bare boat to rigged up and on the water?
I think like from this stage to like fully rigged is about like 45 minutes. Yeah, and you can make it a bit shorter by like you can leave your shrouds on and stuff. That makes it a lot quicker as well. So it's it's not a horrendous amount of time, but it's definitely super rewarding when you get onto the water.
So what's your next event? Is there some stuff in the UK? Or?
Yeah, so in May we've got like a switch sprint like shared with a moth regatta on the Saturday in Queen Mary, and then on Sunday there's a day of coaching actually led by me.
Oh, nice.
Which will be good fun. And then after that we have couple of like Grand Prix and stuff, and then the big ones really is the Euro Cup in June in Weymouth, and then after that you have your big ones like Foiling Week and events like that.
What's the aim for the year?
I think the aim for this year is I think I've done enough training to get some good results for like the Euro Cups and stuff. So we've got a Euro Cup that I'm doing in Weymouth in June, and then there's an event in Holland in August, and then shortly after that we have like a Euro Cup in Malchesney. That's our warm-up series for the Worlds, which is the week after. So that'll be really cool. We should hopefully get a good turnout for that as well. I think sounds like there's just over 100 boats around the world already.
Really? Wow.
So that's pretty exciting.
Quite quickly, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it has for sure.
Just goes to show people are obviously interested in it.
Yeah.
So it just pulls out, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think my boom might be a bit in the way.
Right, let's have a look at how it's currently set up. So is there anything on the boat you feel like systems could be better?
Yeah, I think
What's the main things we want to try and upgrade, you reckon?
I think the big one for me is, yeah, I think inside the tramps we could definitely do some good stuff.
I think just looking at the layout here, we can make that a lot better.
Yeah, for
by
sure.
using some double blocks.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously the thimbley type things there haven't got any bearings in, so putting some sheaves with bearings would obviously make it run a lot better.
Yeah, and the main sheave system as well. Like I mentioned earlier, this ratchet block on here that comes with the boat is quite jumpy. So I think something smoother running would be pretty good. Not a lot on her now. So yeah, we're getting there. Just getting a block off the king post. We've got Cunningham blocks are all off. We've actually got a block on here, which is basically the original. How do I put it? Like the same specification, but the Allen version to what is going to be the class rules. And then we've got some blocks on the wings as well going on. And yeah, boom's all off now, ready to get redone too. So yeah, we're looking pretty good so far.
Cool.
I think we're there. I think that's it.
Cool. All right, I think we're done. Well, yeah, day's work wasn't too bad.
Yeah, no.
Still got a few hours left.
Yeah.
It's been a nice day for it.
Yeah, it's been really good. Yeah.
Perfect day for looking around the factory and doing some boat work outside.
Yeah, exactly.
I think that was all pretty fairly easy, wasn't it? The splicing up didn't take too long.
No, splicing wasn't bad, and
Just these little thin lines, which are the buggers.
yeah, these thin lines are pretty tough. They're a good choice performance, but definitely hard for resplicer.
So, all right, let's have a little close-up look at the boat and see what we've done.
So, starting at the main sheet, got some dynamic 30s, double, 2 singles, and then the auto ratchet. It's definitely going to be a game changer from the previous system. Auto ratchet, I haven't used much auto ratchet stuff, but from what I hear, it will slide out a lot better with less load in it, which will be really, really nice, I think, for me. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And the blocks all of them have got stainless steel bearings in them, which will definitely reduce friction and make them run a lot nicer. So we've got 2 triple dynamic blocks here with an extra block underneath as per the class specification. There's quite a lot going on here. It's a 48-to-1 system, and then we have some tie-on high loads here, 20 mils once again, and then onto the XHL blocks. We've got one right at the back next to the lever, and then also one at the base at the bottom here, which goes around the king post. Both these blocks taking on pretty much the majority of the load of the kicker, which is pretty big. So yeah, lots of gains on this kicker, and yeah, looking forward to trying it out. So yeah, on the Cunningham, yeah, again, it's kind of like 24-to-1 system once you have the blocks in the sail. And yeah, again, we've got same spec as the class rules, basically. We've got the plastic sheaths, stainless steel bearings once again, and then again we've got a couple of small blocks on the front on these bridges here, which are mounted by tie-on as well, so easily changeable if ever needed to be. Moving on to the take-up system on the wings, these are definitely a bit different to what we had before, which I think is going to be better. We've got some double blocks here, which is going to be pretty good for sure. Just like playing about with it now, it already feels pretty nice. It just allows the rope just to pass under and around each other a lot nicer compared to the system that comes with the boat. Dead ending onto some elastic with just a couple of 20mm blocks here, and then yeah, dead ending onto the same kind of thing at the back with some double blocks on this tie point in the corner.
Cool. All right, mate. Well, thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed
Thank
the
you.
tour.
Yeah, no, I did. It was really cool. Yeah.
And hopefully the boat's going to work even better than it was before.
Yeah, absolutely.
Going to be running nice and friction free.
Yeah.
Give us a shout, an update when you've been out in the water, test it all.
Absolutely.
If you've got any videos of you sailing later on, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
We'll check that out. And yeah, good luck for the rest of the year.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Nice one. Thanks for coming, Ross.
Thanks.